Hi guys, happy Tuesday. This is Kaylee here from your local Acevacuums dealer. Just a reminder to all of our customers that we do offer vacuum services and repairs, as well as we'll be accepting any and all trade-ins. So if you bring in any old vacuum, we could save you money off any new purchase in our store. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 703-997-9292, extension 1 for Fairfax, extension 2 for Leesburg. Just a reminder that our Fairfax store is located at 11110 Lee Highway, Fairfax, Virginia. And our Leesburg store is located at 300 Fort Evans Road Northeast, Leesburg, Virginia. Thank you guys so much and have a great day. Hope to see you soon.